Introduction. Ask any successful business or individual out there, and I'm sure they will tell you higher levels of productivity are a crucial aspect in ensuring revenue growth and achieving success. The dictionary defines productivity as the quality, state, and fact of being able to generate, create, enhance, or bring forth goods and services. To explain it simply on a more individual level, it's just how much one can get done in a set period of time. And when productivity is mentioned, time management is usually also brought up. They go hand in hand. All that you know about time management is wrong. Yep, you got that right. Your understanding of time management is very likely wrong. Time management is in fact a strange concept. Time cannot be managed or influenced. It's something that is pretty much out of your control. All of us, despite our social or financial background, are allocated 24 hours in a day, no more or less. Once gone, there's no way we can get it back. Our day-to-day responsibilities, be it family or work, takes up a large portion of our time. Not only that, time is fleeting and so easily robbed from our hands. Unexpected things pop up all the time, and priorities change. You can, however, control you and your choices. Time management is more correctly all about self-discipline and task management. It's the management of expectations as well as interruptions. It is the ability to manage your actions, habits, and priorities based on the time you are given. It is understanding what matters most, making a choice to make room for that in your life, and getting rid of the unnecessary, unimportant stuff that's hogging up all your valuable time. Also, time management is not a one-system-fits-all method. There is no perfect method. Different individuals have different styles. We're all wired differently in terms of personality type, identity, and individual life circumstances. Multitasking because you want to manage time better? Bad idea. Contrary to popular belief, faster and more is not always better. Multitasking is one way to destroy your productivity levels. Stick to focusing on one task at a time and take sufficient breaks whenever possible. You'll stand to accomplish more this way. As you can see, a lot of what we know regarding time management are in fact myths. Many of us have skewed perceptions or are misinformed when it comes to time management. These myths, over time, through the people around us or the media we consume, become deeply ingrained within our mindsets. We eventually regard them as facts and hold on to them. As a result, we are prevented from becoming truly and fully productive in any aspect of our lives.